guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to everyone. If you're not watching this video on Sunday, I hope your week is going great and I wish every one of us a wonderful week. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go see what deals we can find. The first deal I have in this video will be the spend 8 get $3 bag on clean and clear facial care, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the oil absorbing sheets priced at $8.69. We have a $2.50 coupon in our app that is going to apply and drop it down to $6.19 and you get $3 back, and the final price will be just $3.19. The next deal is spend 10 on any peach slices acne care, get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the acne patches priced at $4.99 each. These 2 items are going to total $9.98. That's within the 98% rule. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $5.98 or $2.99 each. And if you have percentage of CRT, you can add it to this deal because they are not on sale. The next deal will be on Aveeno facial care, and it's part of the buy 2 get $6 back, and it's a limit of 1. You can see there are other items included in this deal, so pick up whichever one you want. Picking up 2 of the facial cleanser priced at $9.49 is going to total $18.98. We have a $2 coupon that is attaching to this when I scanned it, and you can get the second one from coupons.com. I also have a 3 off 10 Aveeno CRT. When the 2 coupons and the $3 apply, it's going to drop it down to $11.98 and I'll get $6 back, making these 2 items $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal will be the spend 20 get $10 back, and Eucerin body lotions are included in this deal. Picking up 2 of the intensive repair lotion, the 5 ounces priced at $7.99. Because my store have only 2, you can also add the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion, 5 ounces, priced at $7.99. These 3 items are going to total $23.97. In today's savings set, we have a $2 coupon you can use for these products. Use 3 of those. It's going to drop it down to $17.97, and you get $10 back, making all 3 items $7.97 or $2.66 each. And if you have a lotion CRT, you can add it to this deal. I did not get one today. The next deal is a very simple deal, and it will be on Nivea lip care. It's on sale for 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I don't have any coupon for this, and I think the one we had expired on Saturday. Pay the $6 and get $3 back, making both items $3, $1.50 each. I forgot to mention that this can be a very good filler item if you need it. The next deal I have is spend 10 get $4 back on Real Technique or Eco 2 sponges. Pick up one of the Real Technique Miracle Air Sponge 2 counts at $11.99. You can use a percentage of CRT for this, or if you don't have that, you have to pay the $11.99 and get $4 back, making it just $7.99. The tool I have beside it, if that's what you want, was priced at $10.99. Without coupon or percentage of CRT, pay that and get $4 back, making it just $6.99. The next deal I have is the spend 16 get $6 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up 3 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each, and these 3 items are going to total $17.37. In today's savings set, we have a $3 coupon, but we also have a $2 coupon in our app, but this $3 coupon will be better. Use 3 of those, and we also received the $4 instant CRT today. With the 3 coupons and the $4 CRT, it's going to drop it down to $4.37. Pay that and get $6 back, making all 3 items free and a $1.63 money maker. The next deal I have is the Dove hand soap. It's part of the buy 2 get $3 bag, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Picking up 2 is priced at $5.29. 2 of them are going to total $7.94 because 1 will be half off. I have this 2 of 2 coupon I got from my email. I signed up with Unilever and they emailed it to me. It's going to drop it down to $5.94, Pay that and get $3 back. Check your Ibotta because mine I have $1 back on each one of them. That will make the final price 94 cents or 47 cents each. I also have 1,000 points back on Fetch when you spend $4. But with my Fetch, I don't know if it happens to you. Sometimes because we use the extra care box to pay for this and our subtotal is 0, it doesn't count. So try it out and see if that works for you. And if it works, it will make both items free. We have a deal on Aussie hair care this week and it's part of the buy 2 get $4 back. And it's also on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Picking up one of the shampoo and conditioners priced at $5.19. The second one is going to be $3.11. We received a $2 instant CRT today that will drop it down to $6.30 and you get $4 back, making both items $2.30 or $1.15 each. This week, Tresemme is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Picking up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioners priced at $7.29. The second one is going to be $3.65 and that would total $10.94. We all have a 4 off 2 digital coupon if you didn't use yours last week. That will drop it down to $6.94. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $2.94 or $1.47 each. The next deal is on buy any 2 Suave Kids hair care, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $6.79. That's the Fresh Spider Sense. It's going to total $13.58. In our 10-15 savings set, we have a $1 coupon that will work for this. Use 2 of those, it's going to drop it down to $11.58 and you get $4 back, making both items $7.58 or $3.79 each. The next deal is buy any Radius Kids Forever brush or brush heads, 2 counts and you get $2 back. If you're picking up the brush head, it's priced at $7.49. Pay that and get $2 back. Then check Ibotta because it's giving back 50 cents. That will make it just $4.99. We have a spend 12 get $6 back on Colgate toothpaste, and the mouthwash and also the toothbrush 1 count is included in this deal. But if you want to pick up the Colgate toothpaste, you can pick up 3 of the Max Fresh priced at $5.19 each. And these 3 items are going to total $15.57. Today we received 2 5 off 3 Colgate digital coupon. I'm hoping those 2 coupons are going to double dip and work. If it works out, it's going to drop the subtotal down to $5.57 and you get $6 back, making all 3 items free and a 43 cents money maker. I think we had this deal 2 weeks ago and at a point one of the digital coupons disappeared. If you can only use one, your subtotal will be $10.57 and you get $6 back, making all 3 items $4.57 or $1.52 each. The next deal I have will be the First Aid skincare deal. It's on spend 10, get $3 back, and the CeraVe anti-itch cream is part of this deal. It's priced at $9.99 and that's within the 98% rule to get the $3 back. I have this $3 off any CeraVe coupon that we got from the 10-15 savings set. It's going to drop the subtotal down to $6.99. Pay that and get $3 back, making it just $3.99. Another way you can do this deal is by picking up the CVS brand petroleum jelly. It's priced at $6.99. I don't have any coupon or CRT for this, so you have to pay the $6.99 and get $3 back, making it just $3.99. And make sure you're getting this from the First Aid section because I don't think the one from the regular section is going to work for this deal. If you like Speed Stick deodorant, it's on sale for 2 for $6 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 at $6. Then check speedstick.com, print out 2 of the 75 cents coupon if you can from the website. It's going to drop it down to $4.50. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items just $1.50 or 75 cents each. The next deal I have will be buy any 2 hair wicks or Lysol, you get $2 back and it's a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Lysol disinfecting wipes, they're also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. So if you're picking up the ones priced at $5.99, the second one is going to be $3. and these 2 items are going to total $8.99. I checked my app, I didn't find any coupon, and also coupons.com, I didn't see any there. But if you have any coupon for this, apply it to this deal and adjust your math. Without the coupons, the total will be $8.99. Pay that and get $2 back. Then Ibotta have $1.50 back on each item. That will end up making both items $3.99 or $1.99 each. This next deal is not the best, but if you need it or if you have extra care box that is about to expire that you want to roll, you can do this deal. It's on buy 2 get $5 back, and the Tide detergent is included. Pick up 2 is on sale for $14.99 each, and the total will be $29.98. We have a $3 coupon in our app that you can use, and for the second product, you can go to P&G website and print out another $3. These 2 coupons is going to drop it down to $23.98, and you get $5 back, making both items $18.98 or $9.49 each. The last deal I have in this video is the spend 20 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1, and the Scott 8 mega roll is included in this deal, and it's also on sale for $10.79. You can also add the Kleenex cubes or the flat packs. They're on sale for 2 for $4.50. Pick up 4, and that 4 will total $9 plus the $10.79 for the Scott 8 mega roll. Your total will be $19.79. That's within the 98% rule of the $20. You can check Scott.com and see if you can print out coupons. I've tried multiple times, but it will not let me print out any coupon. But if you don't have any coupon, like I don't, you will pay the $19.79 and get $5 back, making all 5 items for $10.79 or $2.99 each. And this concludes my video today. Thank you once again for joining me and all your support. I just want you to know that I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.